Best YouTube automation niche for 2023. Are you looking for some winning YouTube automation channel ideas to make passive income online? In this video, we look at 10 winning YouTube automation channel ideas to earn you tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in passive income each month. These channel ideas are backed by current trends and data, so whether you've already spent time in the YouTube studio publishing videos without luck, or are just getting started, a winning channel idea to make money from YouTube automation may just be a short click away. So if you're looking for some inspiration on how to start making money from YouTube automation, make sure to check out this video. What are YouTube automation channels? YouTube automation channels are faceless YouTube channels that fully outsource the channel's operations to create a passive income stream for the channel owner. Instead of relying on a YouTube influencer to drive traffic and build an audience like Mr. Beast, Jake Paul, or Markiplier, YouTube automation channels use well-crafted scripts and piece together stock footage or animations with a voiceover to create compelling video content. Do you get paid for uploading videos on YouTube? You get paid for uploading videos on YouTube for the ad revenue your videos generate once your channel reaches the performance levels necessary to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program, your channel needs to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours accumulated within a year. However, even though ad revenue from the YouTube Partner Program is the primary way to make money with YouTube automation, it's certainly not the only way. You can actually make money with YouTube automation in a dozen different ways. Besides ad revenue, you can also make money from YouTube automation through strategies like sponsorship brand deals, YouTube premium revenue, and channel memberships. How much money can someone make from YouTube automation? Someone can expect to make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 a month from a successful YouTube automation channel after around 2 to 3 years of publishing consistent videos. However, outcomes vary dramatically depending on the faceless YouTube niche you choose to create content in and the quality of videos your channel publishes. Some YouTube automation channels make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, while many others never even make a penny. An example of a YouTube automation channel that does tremendously well in the lifestyle and business niche is Alux. What are the best topics for a YouTube channel? The best topics for a YouTube channel are those that surround industries where a lot of money is spent and that people are interested in. For example, personal finance and technology are two great YouTube automation niches to consider. These topics draw many interested viewers, and there is tough competition among advertisers for the valuable ad space so you can earn more money. Fortunately, if you're struggling to decide on a YouTube automation channel idea, we've got you covered. Up next, we go over 10 winning YouTube automation channel ideas. 10 winning YouTube automation channel ideas. Number 1. Storytelling. Storytelling, especially scary stories, is a hot channel idea that can make you thousands of dollars every month. The content of this channel is based on pure creativity, so there's unlimited content potential. For this channel idea to work, you'll need to find some excellent creative writing script writers to support your channel efforts and the right voiceover actor to narrate each story just right to keep your audience hooked throughout the video. An example of a YouTube automation channel doing storytelling successfully is Mr. Nightmare, with over 6 million subscribers. Social Blade estimates this channel makes up to $51,000 each month just from ad revenue. Number 2. Current gossips and dramas. Many people are absolutely enamored by celebrities, especially the juicy gossips that surround them. That's why YouTube automation channels that report on the hottest celebrity news stories like Spill and Spill Sesh attract hundreds of thousands of viewers on every video. Although these kinds of videos have a limited shelf when people will be interested in watching them, there will always be new celebrity gossip to create videos around, so it's a channel idea with long-term potential. Number 3. Space tech. People all over the globe are fascinated with space travel. In fact, 63% of millennials in America are interested in space tourism themselves. With companies like Blue Origin, SpaceX, and Virgin Galactic pushing humanity towards the actual realization of space tourism, there's never been a better time to get involved in the space. Creating a YouTube automation channel around space technology, like Voyager, has already found success doing. is an excellent opportunity to grab a piece of virtual real estate in this up-and-coming industry with so much potential. Number 4. Motivation. Lack of motivation is something most people struggle with at one point or another, which is why motivational YouTube channels like Free Investing are so popular. In fact, over the last few years, it seems like more people are losing motivation than ever before, with trending terms like quiet quitting and the Great Resignation making their way around social media platforms. People are really beginning to contemplate how their actions can provide value and purpose to their lives instead of just blindly trudging through work. Motivational content fills a modern need for the many people looking for that extra boost. Number 5. Strange history. History is one of those intriguing subjects that just captures people's attention with ease. Everybody learns standard historical happenings during their schooling days, but those same historical instances often become much more interesting when they go beyond the limitations of the textbook. Nutty History is a faceless YouTube channel that does a great job of drawing a large audience by creating interesting historical videos with unique angles. For example, creepy things that were normal in ancient Greece and how Captain America led the US to war are two of their video titles. This type of YouTube content has proven success as people have been fascinated by history for thousands of years. As long as you can find a good researcher to find unique video topics with interesting facts, your channel has enormous potential, considering that some of Nutty History's videos have over 5 million views. Number 6. Sports facts. With 156 million people in the United States watching live sports content monthly, it's clear there is an immense interest in the topic. In fact, sports are beloved all over the world, with almost half of the world's population at 3.5 billion people just being fans of soccer alone, according to World Atlas. Therefore, it's no surprise that anything involving sports is a channel idea with incredible potential to get a ridiculous amount of YouTube views. However, if you want to create a successful channel in the sports niche, it's best to niche down into a single sport, like the YouTube content creator JX My High Roller does, by covering interesting perspectives around basketball and accumulating over 2 million subscribers in the process. With this YouTube niche, there's already a considerable amount of content to use from previous sports seasons, and each new sports season adds even more information to your content pool. Number 7. Travel guides. According to an economic impact report by the World Travel and Tourism Council, tourism contributed a substantial 10%, or $9 trillion, to the global economy in 2019, before the COVID-19 pandemic. With tourism finally roaring back, this YouTube channel idea has the right factors to be a major moneymaker, considering the widespread interest in tourism and the large sums of money people spend on travel. Leading global travel agency Expedia has already realized the potential of an automation channel for their YouTube marketing strategy by creating content around some of the world's most sought-after destinations. There are plenty of travel destinations you could focus on that aren't mainstream, or you could even take a unique angle to popular destinations to distinguish your channel from the rest. Number 8. Software tutorials. Software tutorials is one of those YouTube niche ideas with incredible upside. Software is usually an expensive product, so YouTube ads running on your videos can generate higher revenue than the average channel topic. Furthermore, there's an unfathomable amount of software out there that people use daily, like Microsoft Office, Adobe Suite, and QuickBooks. Even though they are designed to make our lives easier, if you're not an avid user with extensive experience, softwares can be difficult to navigate. That's why software tutorial channels like AppFind attract so many YouTube users. People need help, and you can create a successful YouTube channel by helping them. Number 9. Traditional skill sets. In our fast-paced modern world, many people find tranquility in doing traditional skills like gardening, cooking, and sewing. Just remember what happened at the beginning of the COVID-19 lockdowns when people were forced to slow down. People started doing all sorts of traditional hobbies, from crocheting and bookbinding to even baking homemade bread. Therefore, making animation videos that teach people the basic skills around a variety of traditional hobbies you can do around the house with your hands could be a great strategy to feed into many people's deep-seated interests to do something relaxing and unrelated to technology. Number 10. Philosophical. If you look on YouTube, you'll find quite a few philosophical channels performing exceptionally well, like Philosophies for Life with nearly 1 million subscribers, or Einstein with more than 1.5 million subscribers. Modern behaviors like high social media usage cause people to overjudge themselves and have negative thoughts because of misconceptions about the way they live their life. Many people also struggle to find meaning and turn to this kind of YouTube content to get their mindset right by learning from great thinkers who conquered their own minds. With this channel idea, you could be a YouTube content creator that simultaneously provides a positive impact on your viewers' lives and also attracts a large audience to get a hefty payout on your videos. How do I start faceless YouTube automation? You can start faceless YouTube automation by deciding on a channel idea and then hiring a team from Upwork or Fiverr to help you with video creation tasks like script writing, video editing, and voiceovers. Anyone can start a YouTube channel for free and start publishing videos, like most any popular social media platform today. The steps to start a YouTube automation business are fairly straightforward, but the journey itself can be long and take 1, 2, or even 3 years plus before your channel takes off, if it ever does. I hope you guys surely like and enjoy our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.